Okay, this is the Bowers universal gauge, and I'm going to use it today to show you how to apply a preset value to the indicator. And I'm doing that using a calibrated 300mm diameter ring. Typically, you can use a TreeMOS horizontal setting machine to apply a preset to a universal gauge, but for convenience today, I'll use the ring and show you how to use a sweep function within the gauge. So the gauge is set up with the moving carrier heading in the right direction to measure an internal diameter, and I've put some spherical tips on here so that I can measure that internal diameter. Simply a case of placing the universal gauge in the ring and then holding the fixed carrier and using that as a pivot point. I sweep the carrier in this direction, and I'm looking for the point at which it's reading the largest diameter, which is approximately there. I apply set to apply the 300mm preset, and then I can sweep again. Obviously, I wasn't in the correct position first time, so I can sweep until I get closer to it, which is there, and then try once more. And once I'm in the largest position, this analog simulation is telling me that I'm getting larger in this direction, smaller in this direction. So I find the largest point, which is there, and I apply the preset. Once the preset's been applied, I can then use the gauge to measure